Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about chemoprophylaxis. Chemoprophylaxis is the use of antimicrobial agent to prevent infection. The use of antimicrobial agent to prevent infection is known as chemoprophylaxis. To protect a healthy person, penicillin G is given to a prevention of syphilis or gonorrhea in a patient after the contact in infected person. The penicillin G is given to a patient to prevent from syphilis or gonorrhea in the patient after contact with the infected patient. When the patient is infected patient, if anybody is contacted with the infected patient, he develops syphilis or gonorrhea, and this is treated by penicillin G. Mefloquine, tab 250 gram 1 week before the travel and 1 tab every day to stay for malarial endemic area. Tablet is given to the person who is traveling from their country to another country. Example, if somebody comes from America to India, in America they will give this mefloquine tablet to the person who is traveling from America to India because it is an anti-malarial drug. In India there is malaria, so this malaria should not spread to the other countries. So the mefloquine tablet is given to them. To prevent the infection of high risk, before the tooth extraction and dental implant, the patient is prone to bacterial endocarditis or valvular hair disease, heart disease, valvular heart disease, and procaine penicillin 4 lakhs intramuscularly 1 day before. The children who are close contact with TB patient, they are given rifampicin and INH tablet is given for 6 months. Surgical prophylaxis. Before any surgery, the antibiotic coverage to be done. The drug is given 1 day before the surgery or just before the surgery. The drug should be effective against all organisms that are likely to contaminate the wound. Reason for failure of antimicrobial therapy. The bacterial resistant. Reason of failure of this antimicrobial therapy is bacterial resistant. The antimicrobial drug is not effective on the bacteria. The acquired resistant. In beginning the drug was effective, but later it becomes ineffective because of the more usage of the drug. Reason for acquired resistant. This is due to the change in bacterial DNA, and this changes takes place by mutation, transfer of R resistant gene from one bacteria to another. Mutation. The bacteria produce wrong DNA. It is resistant to drug. Gonococci develop resistance to penicillin G. Transfer of genetical material. Many bacteria contain extra chromosome genetical material, plasmid, carry R factor and resistant gene. The R factor resistant gene is transferred to an other bacteria by this R factor is transferred to other bacteria by this R factor is known as resistant genes. This is transferred to other bacteria by transduction, transformation and conjugation. Transduction. In this method, the R factor is transferred through virus with infect the bacteria. In transformation from virus to the infected bacteria, this in transformation the R factor is released from the plasmid into the medium, and the R factor is taken up by the other bacteria. This R factor is released from the plasmid to a medium, and this R factor is taken by other bacteria. Conjugation. The R factor is transferred from bacteria to bacteria by direct sex bridge. Why bacterial resistance is produced? Production of the enzyme that inactivates the drug. There are production of enzyme which inactivate drug. Example, B-lactamase by staphylococci. The drug acting bite on the bacteria is changed. Example, aminoglycoside binding site to ribosome changed from 30S to 50S. Change in metabolic route. Bacteria produces folic acid by alternative method and becomes resistant. Cross-resistant is seen among the chemically related drug when a microorganism develop resistance to one antibiotic. It also resistance to the antibiotic of the same group. Example, if the bacteria is resistant to gentamicin, it is also resistant to streptomycin. The crossway develops either one way or two way. Tetracycline is resistant. If the tetracycline is taken over, it is resistant to doxycycline. If this drug is taken, it is resistant to tetracycline. This is known as two-way process. Just like the tetracycline, the sulfadiazine and sulfadoxine. These also two-way resistant. Gentamicin to streptomyces is one-way resistant. Prevention and bacterial resistant. Antibiotics should be used only in it is necessary. Prevention of bacterial resistance is the antibiotic should be used only if it is necessary. It should not taken unnecessary. The selection of correct antibiotic. Example, syphilis, penicillin G. The selection of correct antibiotic should be taken. The correct dose and duration or treatment. No under or over treatment. The correct dose and duration or the treatment. There should not be over treatment as well as under treatment. Combination of drug like multi-drug therapy. Example, to prevent resistance. Example, TB, rifamycin, INH and ethyl butyl. Thank you. For more videos, please do subscribe, like, share, comment.